Hi children, today I am going to start chapter 10, that is festivals. What is the meaning of festival, children? Festivals means it is a celebration, because in that particular festival's day the people used to wear new clothes, and the people used to prepare different kinds of dishes, and they will exchange a gift, and they will use to visit their friend's house or relatives house, and totally they will enjoy with the family members. So that is the reason we'll call festival, it is a celebration. We used to celebrate three kinds of festivals. One is religious festival, harvest festivals, and national festival. First, let's see religious festival. Which are the religious festivals? Okay. In India, we used to celebrate many religious festivals. The people will go to different place to worship the God. In that, first one is Diwali. As you all know, Diwali, isn't it? Diwali is a lights of festival. It is celebrated to mark the arrival of Lord Rama after spending 14 years of exile. So, in this particular festival, people used to decorate their houses with the lot of lights and candles and diyas. And they will worship the goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. And children are most excited to brush the crackers on this particular festival, because they wanted to brush the crackers, but we should not brush the crackers, because the firecrackers cause smoke and pollute the air. So that is the reason we should not brush the crackers, children. But we can enjoy with our family members by playing or by eating special food. Like this we can enjoy with our family members. So this is Diwali. You all likes to brush the crackers, isn't it, children? Look at this. This is crackers. The people used to worship the god on that day, goddess Lakshmi. And next one is Holi. As you all know, this Holi festival, isn't it, children? In particular festival known as the festival of colors, because the people put gulal on their near and dear ones. Many special dishes are prepared on this particular festival, and people used to use colorful water on this day, as you all know, right? So, but we should avoid playing with water on Holi, because we should not play. Understood, children? And next one is Eid. It is celebrated at the end of month of fasting called Ramzan, because in this festival the Muslim people will be fasting till 1 month. After fasting 1 month, they will celebrate this festival, that is called Ramzan. The people wear in this particular festival, the people used to wear new clothes, and they will go to mosque to pray the God. Where they will go to pray the God? Mosque. They greet and wish each other, saying that Eid Mubarak, and they will prepare special dishes on this day. Understood? The people will go to mosque to pray the God, and they greet everyone to saying that Eid Mubarak. This is mosque. The Muslim people will go to pray the God. Where they will go? In the mosque. And next one is Christmas. Every December 25th we used to celebrate Christmas. You all know, right? Every year December 25th we used to celebrate Christmas as the mark of birthday of Jesus Christ. The people will decorate Christmas tree and their homes and make pudding and cakes. They go to church to pray the God. Where they will go? Church. They will go to church to pray the God. And these people will believe Santa Claus bring the gift for children on the Christmas day. Understood? Next one, Guru Purab. Next one is Guru Purab. It is celebrated mark of birthday 10 Sikh Gurus. People decorate their houses and they visit Gurudwara to pray the God. Where these people will go to pray the God, children? These people will go to Gurudwara to pray the God. See, look at this picture. This is Gurudwara. And next one is Dasara, where we will celebrate Dasara festival in the Mysore. This festival we celebrate 10 days celebration of this Dasara because the marks victory of good over ill. It is celebrated for 10 days. The efficacy of Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Meghnad are burnt on